Today going to visit Foulab, the space
This way, right?
and hacker space
way, right?
in Quebec. Just going up the stairs. I follow directions from the door. Just keep walking up. It said on the internet is on the 3rd floor. BB something. 33B. Building is look a little bit squeaky. It's like kind of building that has a lot of artist studio coming on together. Not very well maintained infrastructures, like the floor is squeaky wooden, then it's still quite,
I think that one.
I don't know, it can be a little bit creepy, so keep walking. I guess, yeah, we are almost there.
Yeah.
Yeah, 33B Montreal makerspace. It's called Foulab. Okay, yeah. And it's kind of cool to find this place that people gathering together. This guy, I can't remember his name. Really can't pronounce his name well.
Right.
Show me all the tools and equipment stuff.
Bunch of parts.
All the meanings.
So I use this place to maintain my bike.
Workbench. Yeah, there's biohacking space himself. It's a small tiny hack slot. Kind of cute though.
Like we have like
Like
two members who use
Biolab,
lab.
right?
So I
Can
don't
build
use
it
it,
by
but
himself.
I don't want to mess with it too
Equipment is
much.
Okay.
my friend. Thanks, Kevin,
It
for
says
connecting.
you have shoe covers and
Okay.
before I go there I want to ask
That's right,
like which
before entering.
To get in.
they're
Okay.
running.
Then they have every rack for each members.
And how do you know it now?
Can react a lot. Cute. Nice photo, no? Nice photo again, shot by me. So many stuff that they have. Like this is like VR area and books, electronics, bench, 3D printing. 3D printing to work. You know,
Steampunk Montreal. You know steampunk?
in some kind of
There's a
graveyard.
movement.
Oh, computer. Kind of cool.
Exactly. I'm surprised
A lot
nobody
of stuff,
got
books.
good access to it. Here.
CPU. Maybe it's a mining rig, probably. VR area, you can play games, VR games.
Yeah, those are nice.
Definitely they have all the scrap. Maybe not scrap for sums, can be scrap for sums. Thanks everyone for joining us today and see you in the next episode of Henri channel.